And that's going to be traveling around the diameter of the stomach. And then we have an outermost just under the peritoneum, longitudinal, or just an outer. And that's going to be traveling the length. Now obviously the longitudinal is going to cover up all of the circular, and the circular is going to cover up all of the innermost oblique. I'm just showing it patchy here so that you can see all three of them. So on this model here, you're just seeing, you're seeing a little bit, the oblique is not very oblique, but here's the longitudinal, running the length of the stomach wall. Here's circular, okay. This is supposed to be oblique, but it looks more longitudinal to me. It should be more at about a 45-degree angle to the others. And that provides the twisting. All right, so these are innervated by autonomic nerves. And we have two groups of plexuses that are found. So here would be our innermost oblique. And we'll draw this going this way. So inner circular. And coming out at you would be the outermost longitudinal. So we have nerve endings, nerves that are present here. And within the muscle, these are autonomic nerves known as the myenteric plexus. And in the submucosa, we have nerves that are known as the submucosal plexus. They have older terms, Auerbachs and so on, but this is easier to figure out where they are. Myo, of course, we've been referring to muscle. So here's the nerve that you can see here in the myenteric plexus. And we'll look at nerve function on Thursday. And then finally, we end up with the serosa. So for the first time, we have a serosa because we're actually within the peritoneal, the abdominal cavity, not within the peritoneal cavity, within the abdominal cavity. And so this is just our visceral peritoneum. With loose irregular connective tissue attaching it to the outer longitudinal layer. And simple squamous secreting the watery fluid into the peritoneal cavity, epithelium. Okay, we'll stop there. And on Tuesday we'll pick up. Remember, no class tomorrow? You guys can go drink coffee and work on your exams. I did used to be a student.
We'll set up the caffeine on the beach trip.
All right, so the models that we have for lab are the teeth models, the head models, stomach models on the back side, and the histology models, small larynx for tongue, if you see those components. And I'll put out salivary gland slides and esophagus and stomach slides.
So
It's going to be so hot today, you're just thankful to be in an air-conditioned classroom, right? You don't have to sit outside.
she just said this is for the innermost
Nice right
oblique,
now.
inner circular, and then outer longitudinal. That's what these are supposed to be.
Yeah.
It's the nerve.